Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be propagating strawberries by cutting the runners off the plant. So once you have the runners off the plant, we'll cut one end, cut the other, leave yourself a little handle, and scoop it in the ground a little bit, cover it up, and there you have a strawberry runner. Take another one, cut it there, cut it there, have your little handle, scoop it in, cover it up. 2 strawberry plants. Cut it there, put it there, have your handle. There's the roots. Scoop it in, cover it up. It's just that quick. 3 strawberry plants. Cut there, handle, roots. Scoop it, cover it up. Another strawberry plant. Put there, handle, another strawberry plant. Just make sure you don't bury the crown too deep, or the strawberry will rot. Got your roots and your handle. Cover it up. We will continue the process. And over here, these are ones I propagated earlier, about a week or 2, and they're already rooted, and they're ready for either next year's green stalk or for sale. Like and subscribe.